Hello everyone, I am Tarannum from the IoT product marketing team, and we have with us Wade today, who is the IoT solutions architect. Our transportation customers face a number of key challenges like motorist safety, traffic congestion, and carbon emissions. Wade, can you tell us how Cisco can help with some of these challenges?
Sure. In order to solve all these challenges, we need intelligent transportation systems. ITS is composed of a wide range of wireless and traditional communication-based information and electronic technologies. Cisco, as the leader of networking industries, we offer complete industry IoT portfolios that deliver secure, reliable, and scalable infrastructure to support digitalization of ITS. Cisco Connected Roadways and Intersection solutions based on CCI, Cisco Validated Design, help safeties, improve operation efficiencies, reduce congestions, and minimize the carbon footprint.
What are some of the technology challenges that our customers face as they are trying to modernize the infrastructure?
Yes, there's 4 key technology challenges our customers are facing. The number 1 is legacy sensors and networks. The ITS requires integration with all old and new technologies and sensors. Current silo and low bandwidth network is not able to meet today's and future application requirements. Number 2, lack of visibilities and increased security concerns. Our roadway operators is not able to have clear visibility to the entire networks. With all the new technology sensors integrated into the infrastructures, security is number 1 concern for a lot of roadway customers. Third, there's no single access technology can solve today's ITS application needs. We require multi-access technology to solve today's application requirements. Number 4, real-time access to the data. Roadway operators requires remotely monitoring their roadside equipment. They would like to troubleshoot and fix the problem remotely to save the truck roll and improve operation efficiencies. The infrastructure, vehicles, and people also would like to access in real time and also be able to make decisions much faster and right to improve the safety and mobilities.
What are some of the benefits and the key differentiation of the Cisco Connected Roadway solution?
Yes, our Cisco Connected Roadways and Intersection solutions is the only solutions that address all your needs in ITS. Number 1, with our complete product portfolios, we can address your needs end-to-end. Our Connected Roadway and Intersection solutions offer standard-based modular approach that is flexible for our customers and partners to deploy. Number 2, our IoT product is able to sustain wider temperature range and also resistant to production of dust and waters. Its modular design can support a variety of applications. It's designed in small form factors and families. Number 3, our Connected Roadways and Intersection solutions offer end-to-end securities. With advanced security solutions which Cisco offers, we can able to help operators to gain visibilities and also operational insight, able to segment our network infrastructure into smaller trust zones. Also help the roadway operators to develop incident response plans. Last one, of course, all the network infrastructure require easy to manage and deploy. With our Cisco cloud-based IoT operation dashboard, we can easily deploy and securely monitor the whole IoT industry networks with scale and with ease.
What is this cabinet here?
Yes, let's open up. This is the traffic signal control cabinet you normally see at every intersection. Of course, inside this cabinet, there's a traffic signal controllers, which is actually control the timing and phasing of every intersections. We also have deployed Cisco Catalyst industry-grade routers, IR1111, which provide secure communications from the traffic cabinet all the way to the traffic management centers. We also have deployed Cisco Catalyst Industry Switch 3400s, which also provide extended connectivities to other devices such as CCTV cameras, radar, LiDAR, and also pedestrian and bicyclist detection systems. In addition to that, we also have load switches and wires, which is connecting to the traffic lights, which is mounted on the walls. In addition to that, we also have another driver's console, which is simulated vehicles. This is exactly the console we are using in marquee Ford electrical vehicles.
What are some of the use cases where all this technology is used? Can you highlight a couple?
Of course. Yeah, so there's two major use cases we would like to highlight in today's demonstrations. The first use case is really about pedestrian safety detection use case. The second use case will be talking about emergency vehicle preemption use case.
Can you walk me through the demo of the pedestrian safety use case and how all that works together?
Yes. So with the integration of our IoT industry portfolios into the traffic cabinet, we're able to achieve pedestrian detection use case. Synchronized intersection contribute 1/3 of all intersection fatalities. That's the reason intersection becomes a national safety priorities, a program focus area for federal highway administrations. So how do we improve safety around intersections? Let me show the demo for you. So this demo is really show about how do you detect the pedestrian cross the street against the traffic light. Normally, this detection is through the video cameras or LiDAR systems. In today's demo, we're going to show you how to use MQTT client software to simulate the detection messages. So imagine pedestrian enter the crosswalk against the traffic light. This incident will pick up by a LiDAR systems. The message will send to the traffic cabinet. At the same time, the traffic controllers will simultaneously share the traffic light status to the edge intelligence software running on the Cisco IR1101. IR1101 will send alert message to the virtual roadside unit, which is hosted in the service provider networks, and also will send alert message to the TMCs of the DOTs. The virtual roadside unit will also send a message to the driver's console, which tells you there's a pedestrian cross the street. That's where the driver will pay additional caution and are ready to stop before they cross intersections. This improves the intersection safeties as well.
Traffic signal prioritization is another important use case for our customers. Are you able to walk through a demo of that?
Sure, of course.
Thank you.
Traffic signal prioritization and preemption is also very important. A lot of roadway operators and transit agencies trying to modify the traffic signal operations and optimize the flow of transit vehicles to maintain the schedule at the peak hours. This also can be applied to emergency vehicles to halting conflicting traffics and give the emergency vehicle right away. Imagine we're sitting in police cars with the emergency mode on, flashed lights on. We're approaching intersections at phase 1, which is red lights. There's also conflicting direction, which has the phase 4, green lights. So with the WebEx integration into the driver's console, we're able to simulate generation of the preemption message from the vehicle all the way to the traffic management centers. This message has been received by a virtual roadside unit in the service provider network. That also message will be also passed on to the edge intelligence software running on the IR1101 inside traffic cabinet. The message has been processed by IR1101 and passed on to the traffic light controllers. Traffic controllers then will terminate the phase 4 green light cycles, transition the green light to the yellow to the red light. Now phase 1 light becomes green. Now the emergency vehicle will have much faster goes to intersections, and the intersection safety has improved. The drivers nearby intersection will also get a notification on their driver's console, inform them there's a police car approaching intersections so they can pull over to the curb. With the technology implemented in the infrastructure and in the vehicles, mobility has increased safer and safer.
Thank you so much, Wei. That was really informative. For our customers, Cisco provides secure, reliable, and scalable network connectivity for a variety of use cases like traffic signals, traffic cameras, weather display screens, weather sensors, and so on. Cisco is the only vendor in the company that provides this end-to-end connectivity with a choice of networking that works for you, whether it's switching, whether it's cellular or ultra-reliable backhaul. Our portfolio really helps IT and OT teams work together and build a strong partnership between them for all these edge deployments. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks, Wei.